Crafty Sisters. And if you're new to our channel, I'm Lainey.
I'm Mia. I'm Emma.
And today we're going to be making
Dog trees.
We only need 4 ingredients.
So I'm going to be smashing 1 1/2 cup of bananas to make our banana puree. So we're gonna add 1/2 cup of peanut butter. Let's see how this goes. Now that we have our peanut butter in, we are going to add 1 1/2 cup of our banana puree.
Looks like mac and cheese.
Now we are going to be adding 4 large eggs.
Ah, wait for me.
Hold on. I must.
Mia! We have our ingredients in. I'm going to add some flour. You don't have to use all of it, depending on if it comes together.
I also have this perfect little ball of flour here. Oh, it's super soft. It's super messy. Let me add a little bit. I don't want to make a mess. You can do it on the counter. Yes. Yeah, you gotta be really careful because flour can make a really big mess. If you drop it in there, flour will fly up into the air and get all over you, and that wouldn't be fun. Okay, I'm gonna add in that much and then see how it comes together. I still have this much left. Okay, now we're going to put it in the mixer. So our dough is sticky, still sticky. So we're gonna add a little bit more flour.
Not the whole thing, just a little bit.
Just a little bit, not the whole thing.
Okay, a little bit.
So now our dough is ready. Ready?
So I'm going to go with my dirty hands and get a board and cover it with flour on the top. Just sprinkle it, actually.
And if it's snowing, and we're like this.
Snowing on my board. Moment of truth, we're going to dump our...
What?
Whoa, our dough.
Was that all of it?
That's too hard. Oh, it feels really cool.
We roll out our dough, and we are using our cookie cutters to make designs for our dog's treats. And my design is a little flower right here. Look, hold on. First, we'll take it out so that you can see how gorgeous it is. Beautiful. This is how our treats turned out. They were so much fun. They're so cute. Look at the cheese right here and the stars.
Also, if you have leftover dough, you can freeze it, put it in a bag, and you can bake it later. You can give it away to someone, and it will last for a very long time. So let's give Diego his first treat.
He likes it. This time, I'm gonna make him sit. Stay. Good boy, come here. Good. I'm hungry.
They're pretty good. Okay, hold on. That was our video for today. We hope you enjoyed it.
And if you did, make sure to put a thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next videos.
Bye.
Bye.